Hey guys, today we're going to be going over Cyclic lines. Now, I'm using TradingView, the app. If you want to get it, look in the description to sign up for TradingView, and then just sign up for the app at the Play Store. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to use Cyclic lines and why they're good to use. Now, if you're trading binary options, they are super useful because you can set it up. So if you only want this trade for 7 o'clock, I choose 7. Well, that's close enough, just so you can get the point. And then I'd go back to 7. Now, technically, I'm at 8, but here, I'll even fix it. I know it is at 7. Yeah, that one's not, though. And then it shows you 7 o'clock for every single one. Now, this is also cool to do if you want to look at different months for different earning cycles, or if you only want to look at certain economic areas. Now, you go backwards and forwards, and you could also use this to set up time frames instead of using a multiple time frame indicator. It's very useful. Like I said, it's very useful, especially on binaries, because on binaries, on the time frame, I could just be like, okay, right here, it's up, so I'd be like, maybe down, and then maybe this one I'd just be up, down. Now, I probably would have had to use like a martingale type strategy to close in that gap from right here. But if using the martingale strategy, I would have still came out higher than before. And then I probably would have gone down from here, down from here, down from there. Haven't really finished off yet on this cycle. But I think you guys get the point. It's kind of useful to use, though. Cyclic lines are very useful. Like I said, it's also cool to use for earning reports, GDP reports, just anything where you want a line specifically in an area. If you're going to use it for GDP reports, I would suggest going to a week time frame instead of just an hourly chart. And then way you could just be like, boom, like I could just pick out, or if it's a monthly thing, you could just be like, okay, it's in this week in July, and then go to this week in July, and then I could just scroll back and be like, okay, so that's how that impacted that. That's how that impacted that. It's really useful for the big market movers like GDP or interest rate decisions. You could get a kind of a guess if you take two interest rate decisions of two different currency pairs and you use them within the pair itself to look at the influence that both have on the encounter. And there's a lot of different other ways you can use cyclic lines, but that's some of the basic uses of cyclic lines. And they're, like I said, they're super helpful. You could also do them on 5-minute charts and use them for the hourly trades for options as well. And it makes it easier just to visualize where the chart's going, and it instills in your head how the time frames work together. Well, if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and you all have a great day.